Welcome all TYBSc Computer Science student. Myself Vidya Phanda, your programming in Java language subject teacher. Today's lecture introduction about programming in Java. First, TYBSc Computer Science 2 semester this year. First semester subject is programming Java. First course code is 335. And second semester course code 345 and subject name is programming Java second. This link you can download the syllabus. TYBSc Computer Science academic year 2015-16 syllabus change. Download this file. Go to university website. Type URL bar Unipune www.unipuneac.in. This website. Click on this link. Then click on Syllabi tab. Academic year 2015-16. Change the syllabus. Search here. Revise syllabus from the academic year 2015. Click on this link. Then faculty wise syllabus. Here Science faculty tab, click. All revised syllabus here. Then search TYBSc Computer Science syllabus. See here TYBSc Computer Science. Click on this link. TYBSc Computer Science PDF here. See here title of course BSc Computer Science. TYBSc Computer Science syllabus is the subject Computer Science Implement academic year 2015-16. Introduction course first year of undergraduation basic foundation of two important skills required for the software development is lead. First year 2 subject Computer Science, C language and database management system annual pattern. Second year programming skills are further strengthened by the course in data structure and object-oriented programming. An advanced topic in databases and software engineering. That means for 2 semester, 1 semester 2 computer course, another semester 2 computer course. Overall year is 4 computer courses. First semester relational database management and data structure. Second semester object oriented programming and software engineering. Third year undergraduation. This year first year and second year you can cover. Third year 6 theory paper in each semester and practical courses covering entire spectrum of topic necessary to build knowledge based and request skill sets. Third practical course include project work which gives students hands-on experience in solving real world problems. Third year both 2 semester, first semester 6 theory, second semester 6 theory and practical is annual pattern. First year marking internal marks, external marks chart here. Completed this year your second year chart here. Data structure, relational database management, practical course. Marks chart here. Third year. Third year BSc Computer Science. Computer Science paper first. First semester 6 theory, second semester 6 theory and annual 3 practical. Computer Science paper first, system programming semester first theory, theoretical computer science, then computer network first, internet programming in Java, object oriented software engineering. First semester, second semester operating system, compiler construction, computer network second, internet programming second and programming in Java second. These two subjects, programming Java first and programming Java second, and computer graphics 6. 3 practicals. Practical based on semester first and semester second combined practical. Course code 331 341. System programming and operating system combined practical. Then 335 programming Java second and programming Java first and second includes computer graphics. These combine second practical and third practical based on 334 internet programming first and internet programming second and project include these 3 practicals. Marks distribution here. Theory paper 4 in standards of passing criteria साठी दिलेले आहे. Internet marks out of 10 4 10 internal marks त्यापैकी out of 4 पडणे कंपल्सरी and external marks out of 6 out of 40 पैकी 16. All subject theory paper, practical paper 20 marks out of 8 marks out of 20 passing criteria and 32 marks दिले माहित आहे. प्रॅक्टिकल 80 मार्क्सचे पासिंग क्रायटेरिया साठी कमीत कमी 32 मार्क्स पडणे कंपल्सरी आहे. असं प्रॅक्टिकल फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड तिन्ही प्रॅक्टिकल साठी क्रायटेरिया आहे. तुमचं एकदा सगळं डिव्हायडेशन पण दिलेलं आहे. ह्या पीडीएफ मध्ये तुम्ही कोर्स काय काय नाही पाहू शकताय. आता आपल्या सब्जेक्टचं इंट्रोडक्शन पाहू. फर्स्ट सिस्टम प्रोग्रामिंग, then operating system second same, theoretical computer science, compiler construction, computer network first, computer network second, internet programming first, second same internet programming second, here programming Java first. First semester subject. Prerequisite of this course: knowledge of C programming language. First year learn subject knowledge of C programming. Objective to learn object oriented programming language CPP. Second year you learn object oriented. Then handle abnormal termination of program using exception handling. To create flat files, design user interface using Swing and AWT. Introduction to Java first chapter and introduction to Java. First part, short history of Java, features or buzzwords of Java, comparison of Java and CPP, Java environment, simple Java program, Java tools, JDB, Java P, Java doc, Java IDE, Eclipse, NetBeans. This is a lab demonstration, practical part. Overview of Java, types of comments, त्यानंतर data types, final variable, declaring array, 1D, 2D array, accepting input using command line argument, accepting input from console using buffer reader. First types of comments. Two command learn, single line and multi-line. Another one type is in programming Java, data types, integer, float, double, other data type explain here. Final variable, declaring 1D, 2D. In C language, one dimensional, two dimensional array declare. Yeah, declaring programming Java, accepting input using command line argument, accepting input using command line argument, accepting input from console, CPP, C in, C out, use, program in Java, another format use, learn this point, accepting input using command line and accepting input from console. This topic cover. Then object and classes, third chapter, define your own class. ओन क्लास कसा डिफाइन करायचा त्यानंतर ऍक्सेस स्पेसिफायर 4 टाइप्स ऍक्सेस स्पेसिफायर पब्लिक प्रोटेक्टेड प्रायव्हेट डिफॉल्ट 3 ऍक्सेस स्पेसिफायर in CPP 1 extra is default then array of object what is array learn this second chapter and then third chapter is declaring array of object then constructor overloading of constructor use of these keyword then learn static blocks, static fields, methods, predefined class, object, class methods, many more methods, 4 methods here, equals, to, strings, hash code, get class, then inner class. Next point, creating, accessing and using packages. Packages point cover, creating jar file, manifest file, what is wrapper classes, garbage collection, finalize method, date and time processing. These all points in objects and classes, third chapter. Then fourth chapter, inheritance and interfaces. Inheritance basis extends keyword and types of inheritance. आता तुम्ही CPP मध्ये इनहेरिटन्स शिकलेले आहेत पण इथं ऍडव्हान्स मध्ये जावाला प्युअरली ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड का म्हणतोय हे फोर्थ चॅप्टर मध्ये कव्हर होत आहे इनहेरिटन्स बेसिक extends keyword types of inheritance super class subclass use of super keyword method overriding and runtime polymorphism use of final keyword related to method and class use of abstract class abstract method defining implementing interfaces runtime polymorphism using interfaces इंटरफेस का आलेला आहे हे या पॉइंट मध्ये कव्हर होणार डिफाइनिंग आणि इम्प्लिमेंट कसा करणार रन टाइम पॉलिमॉर्फिझम युजिंग इंटरफेस अँड ऑब्जेक्ट क्लोनिंग फोर्थ चॅप्टर पॉइंट्स देन फिफ्थ चॅप्टर एक्सेप्शन हँडलिंग dealing error exception class check and uncheck exception 2 types त्यानंतर catching exception and exception handling which way exception handling त्यानंतर creating user defined exception and assertion these 5 points in 5 chapters points then 6 chapter strings streams and files string class and string buffer class formatting string data using format method using file class stream class byte stream character stream class creating of files reading writing character and bytes handling primitive data types random access file these points 6 chapters strings streams and files 7 user interface component with AWT and swing AWT stands for abstract window toolkit what is AWT what is swing difference between AWT and swing the MVC model view control architectures and swing layout manager and layouts the J component class components here J button, J label, J text area, J checkbox, J radio button, J list, combo box, J menu, J pop-up menu class, so many more. Then dialogues. Dialog message and confirmation input dialog, J file chooser and J color chooser. Event handling, event source and listener, mouse and keyboard, event handling, adapter, anonymous inner class. All these points cover AWT and swing. Applet, last chapter, applet life cycle, applet viewer tool, applet HTML tag, passing parameters to applet, repaint update method. आता 1 to 6 chapter, some points previous, learn some topic, but 7 and 8 totally different point. These point develop user interface, creating and create your own project. These chapter cover AWT, Swing and Applet. रेफरन्स मटेरियल पहा सब्जेक्टसाठी कंप्लीट रेफरन्स जावा बाय हेडर बिट. तुम्ही रेफरन्स बुक लर्न करू शकता. जावा टू प्रोग्रामिंग ब्लॅक बुक स्टीवन, त्यानंतर प्रोग्रामिंग विथ जावा प्रायमर 4th एडिशनचं आहे. ई बालगुरू सामी कोर जावा व्हॅल्यूम फर्स्ट अँड एडिशन 8 एडिशनचा दिलेला आहे. हा झाला फर्स्ट सेमिस्टरचा सिलेबस. देन तुमचा सेकंड सेमिस्टर प्रोग्रामिंग इन जावा फर्स्ट ह्या सब्जेक्टला कोर जावा आणि प्रोग्रामिंग इन जावा सेकंड ह्याला ऍडव्हान्स जावा प्रोग्रामिंग असं म्हटलं जातं. हा तुमचा फर्स्ट सेमिस्टरचा सिलेबस आपण पाहिला. फर्स्ट चॅप्टर इंट्रोडक्शन टू जावा, ओव्हरव्ह्यू ऑफ जावा सेकंड, ऑब्जेक्ट्स अँड क्लासेस थर्ड, इनहेरिटन्स अँड इंटरफेसेस फोर्थ, exception handling fifth, string streams and files 6, user interface component with AWT and Swing 7 and 8 applet. Next lecture start the first chapter introduction to Java. You can आपण इथे थांबूया. थँक यू.